Lads, you need to understand this right here, right now, but you're not lazy. You're not lazy. You're simply just lying to yourself because your ego is overly inflated. And these are the worst motherfuckers. These are the worst guys, right? Because you're always looking to justify things, always looking for a reason as to why it's too hard, why now is not the right time, why I don't have the right genetics, whatever it may be. Like, guys, it's just your ego. You have a fear. You have a deep fear installed in your belief system, your heart, your intuition that even if you try, you're gonna fail anyway. So what's the point? What's the point? You've been burned before. You've given up before. You've never seen what is on the other side. The thing is, the grass actually is greener on the other side. Life is better when you are better. See, when you are locked 110% in, similar to all of my VIP and CEO clients, when you're 110% locked in with your alignment of your best self, you're driven by faith. You're waking up early. You're operating with an optimized morning routine. That is the best place to start your morning routine. Get clear on what you now need to do the minute you wake up. Start there, guys. And build some wins, build some trust, build some self-esteem by showing yourself you can actually commit to 30 minutes of positive habits in the morning. Early wake-up time. Wake up, take a piss, weigh yourself in. Okay, you've done a couple of things that are pretty good. Then hit the journal, read and reflect. What's your mission? 1, 3, 5 years. Get clear on who the fuck you are right now, who you now have to be. Reverse engineer all of the goddamn steps and think, who do I now need to be today? Today, not yesterday, because yesterday's wins aren't today's wins, nor tomorrow's today's. Who are you today, right now, that you actually have to be to build the character traits, to build the energy, to build the worth through the work, so you can actually start moving towards that North Star goal. Start with the morning, so you read and reflect. You get clear on your mission, your purpose, every single day. We've got a cat down here. Bruce, let's see it. This is my pussy. We've got a cat down here. But understand, mission, purpose, then identity. Who do you now need to be to become that man who actually has the level of success in which you want? And it's as simple as that. You got to train every single day. You got to move your body every single day. You cannot operate from a high frequency state, guys. If you're in a low frequency mood, you have to oxygenate the body. I don't care if it's a morning walk, a run. I don't care if it's a hardcore bodybuilding based training session where you're developing your physique. I don't care what it is, but do something for you first thing in the morning that is going to get you G'd up in high energy. Then you got to remove all the shit that is weighing you down, all those processed meals that you're having, that hyper palatable bullshit that fogs your mind, keeps you all bloated, stuffs your stomach out. Like, you want to have fucking ripped abs year round. Year fucking round is a non-negotiable standard. You don't want to be a big buffed up bodybuilder. You want to be a lean athletic guy. That can only come when insulin sensitivity is on point. You're on a low inflammatory diet. You're eating to fuel your body, nourish your body from a whole foods first system that allows you to look good, feel good, have amazing levels of energy. Because guys, when you have these habits installed, you start building the character traits, you start becoming the guy. All you have to do is start behaving like that every single day. The main thing maybe here, guys, right, to do, have an inversion list, okay? Have a list made up, one side of paper. What are the top 10 things you could do today to completely fuck your life up? Completely fuck it all up. Write them all down. They think, okay, they're bad. Smoking, partying, porn, drinking, drugs, alcohol, hanging out with loser friends, spend all your money on shit that you don't need. Okay, cool, you've got this list of fuck-ups. Do the exact opposite of that. That is how you win. Because then you can replace that entitlement with gratitude. Simple as that. You can replace entitlement with gratitude. And see, when you lead with gratitude every single day, you're faith-driven. You have a conscious calling to take action, even though, guys, you don't know exactly what outcome will happen. You'll realise that the path illuminates as you walk down it, because you'll start thinking better, start looking better, start feeling better, start backing yourself more, start having a level of mental syntax where you can course correct your own actions, thoughts and beliefs based upon the guy you're now acting like, the guy you're now behaving like. Because that inflated ego in which you have right now, that you claim to be your real intuition, your real thoughts, your real beliefs, it's wrong. It is wrong. I'm here to tell you today, it is fucking wrong. This inflated ego of yours is letting fear corrupt your mind. It's letting doubt fill your veins. It is stopping you, guys, from having the level of confidence in which you need to back yourself once and for all to take it to the fucking top. And this is everything. This is everything. This is faith, finances, family, fulfillment. This is body, business, brain, balance. This is all of these fucking things in which you want to achieve elite physique, mindset, lifestyle, financial freedom, location freedom. None of that is allowed. You're not allowed any of that until you have stacked yourself up from the ground up every single morning, guys, with enough value to think laterally with that. You need to be able to see it horizontally. It needs to be in front of you. It needs to almost be placed in front of you. But if your level of success is up here, but you're operating down here, you've got a lot of fucking work to stack before you're on that horizontal line. So you can laterally look down at it and say, yep, that's where I'm walking toward. Boom, effortless, frictionless work can now be installed and put in every single day. Then you got to think, and this is just fucking straight up free game. This is free game for you guys. Then at the end of every single day, you reflect. You reflect on your day's actions. You reflect on how you can improve. You reflect on what went well. You see, when you lead with what's going well every single day, you start doing more of that because you start feeling good. But see, if you get to the end of every single day, you're tired, you've stuffed yourself with shit food, you've not trained, you've just been a job's worth and just a button pusher at work, and nothing's really going your way. It's because you're not gonna get your way if you're acting like someone who shouldn't have his way given to him, right? So you reflect at the end of every single day, what do I now need to do to improve on my actions tomorrow? Who can I now be tomorrow based upon today's actions that will allow me to move the needle forward? Get clear on that. Then wind down, blue light blockers on. Read and reflect, chill yourself out, down-regulate your nervous system. On a night time, don't be going to bed staring at your fucking phone, going on fucking Tinder, YouTube, looking for another personal development video that's going to change your life and get you G'd up so you can wake up the next day and hit snooze again like you do every single morning. Fuck that, guys. Fuck that. Completely. You really got to get yourself to a place in space, physically and mentally, where you can, every single day, have enough confidence that you will be the guy that pulls this off. Because I used to be a bum, man. I used to smoke and drink and eat shit food and have all these health issues, inflammation. I still exercise, guys. I still exercise. But my results were subpar. My business was subpar. See, when I honestly looked at myself in the mirror and said, man in the mirror test, on a level from 1 to 10, where really am I? And I had that raw, honest reflection and let that ego fucking die. Because I said I was the shit. I thought I was the shit. I had the house, the car, the money, the check. But I was super unfulfilled. Because I had all these negative vices and habits. I had no real alignment. I had no faith behind me. I was ungrateful. And then by installing these systems into my life, living by a calendar, fuck a to-do list, not even a to-do list. I need to get this done every day, and if I tick these boxes, I'm cool. Fuck ticking boxes. Live your life by a calendar. When are you training? Where are you eating that day? What are you eating that day? When are you fucking getting up? When are you going to bed? When you're having these conversations, when you're doing your content, when you're doing your emails, like, have everything fucking stacked, guys. Stack it. Because see, when you're in flow state, which is only rewarded from hard work, like, you can't have summer without winter. Some of you fuckers out there have to go through a hard season of losses and winters before you're allowed that summer, because that's the world telling you you've not been working hard enough. So you have to grind your way through, guys, until you get to a space where you're in flow. And this is when you don't feel like anything's missing because you're not allowing it to miss. Your level of character is elevated to a standard and level of precision where you're more accurate with your behaviours. You are the fucking general. You are the leader of your own life. You're the guy that is chest up, shoulders back, has the physique, has the energy, has the outcomes of the person you want to be. He has the money, he has the knowledge, has the skills, has that level of philosophy installed because you learn all these things. You learn all these traits. You know, a couple of books I would read, guys: Seduction by Robert Greene, Reality Transurfing, and Mastery by Robert Greene. Read those books. It's going to teach you how to orient yourself better, speak better, think clearly. It's going to allow you to align with the frequency of the life you want to live. And then you can start winning. Guys, this is free fucking game. This is like absolute sauce right now. Isn't that right, Bruce? Absolute sauce. Bruce is always in my videos when I'm in this house. But guys, it's up to you, man. You can't let this ego of yours be the thing that continues to hold you back. What if I lose? What if I fail? What will they think? What if... Open yourself up. Open, expand into the space you now have and believe that you can. But you only allow yourself to believe you can only when you do. You could only do it when you're willing enough. You have to be willing enough to do the actions to have the will to expand into the space. Because it's the habits, the actions, the thoughts, the belief that align you with the outcomes. And nobody rises to the level of their goals, they fall to the level of their systems. That's why I'm giving you all the system shit. Every single morning, the early wake up time, read, reflect, even fucking pray, meditate, exercise, whole foods diet, stay lean year round, health, energy, performance. That allows you to operate better in business, operate from a calendar every single day, not a to-do list. Know exactly who you now need to be for that given day, operate in alignment with that. Back yourself, look at yourself in the mirror on a scale from 1 to 10. Who really fucking am I? If it's any less than a 5, you've got a fuck ton of work to do. Then from there, think laterally, think clearly around the life that you want. Look around you from a bird's eye view once you're in this highly elevated state. What actions, beliefs, and behaviors does the guy that I want to be now have? Install them into yourself by not thinking I have to have it all now, but you have to fucking be it to have it, not have it to be it. Read and reflect before bed every single night. Understand what you need to improve on. Inversion thinking. What fucks your life up? What improves your life? Do the things that improve your life. Remove the vices. Like an aeroplane taking off a runway, it cannot take off the runway if it is weighed down. Success loves speed, but you can only go fast when you subtract. So remove all this shit. Guys, let's blow this fucking channel up, man. Share this shit. Comment below what stood out the most. I've only been doing the YouTube stuff for a wee while now. Like, you can see as far back as 6 years, but over the last 6 months, I have been consistent for you. I've got this stuff that I want to share through all the investments I've made, the mentors I've had, the self-development work I've done to become the best version of me, and I want you guys to understand that. And just off the back, I hit a sick workout with some of my clients. It's Saturday, I'm on this video, house to myself. I'm going to be strapping in, working. It's raining all day. We got shit to do, boys. We got a life to live. We want to take it to the top. Stop acting like you want to take it to the bottom, man. It's fucking pathetic.